Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Path Trading Partners, along with Bob Ichino, checking in on Virgin Galactic SPCE. So, with this 2609 level, which was resistance for a while, finally broke through there, straight through to 2673. Well, next major was 2740, high today 2754, then coming back down to the 2609 area, then coming back down to test the rotation zone. So those levels were pretty decent overall. Now let me see here if I can just move. See, this is when it won't let me move it always, so I have to do this. Okay, want to move the right one still. Now we'll bring this one back to here. I've already updated the retracements. So again, the miners area we'll be watching on a 4-hour basis for a close below is about this 2475 level. If we do close below it, we'll be in the rotation zone. You can see how it found support at the 25% level, just dipping through it, but also with this prior price action. If we get a close below today's low, or at least on the 4-hour basis, we're going to be watching for major support coming in at 2256, bottom of the 4-hour rotation zone. Remember, if we get a move below there, we still have a gap behind that could take it all the way back down to at least about 2150 area. Let's switch to the daily. So you see the rotation zone on the daily is about 2309. So if we really start selling off, 2309 is the key area to watch based off the daily chart, and you can clearly see that gap right here. And that gap comes in right in front of the daily rotation zone. Now, on a move back up, let's go back to the 4-hour. I'm going to need to really get above this 2625 area to get bullish again. And then we're watching for that 2754 and 2870 to 2920 right in there would be a really nice target on a continued rally. Then 3087 again. Bigger picture. What do we look like? So we still have this gap up here, right around that 2870. What's the official close here? Close 2875. So that 2870, do not ignore that. If we continue to rally, then that would be a gap fill and again target. Let's see, when are earnings for this? And earnings are not until August 3rd, so still plenty of time before earnings. So we have for you on Virgin Galactic, and we'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.